This is my favorite sled. Go, move out of the way, Natasha. Go down this sled. I'm putting my hands down.
Hold on. I got you on video. Go ahead. Let's see you do it.
I'm gonna go down with this sled.
All right. Wow, he's got, look at all that snow he's got. Where are you going with that snow, dude? All right, come on. Hold on, I'm taping you. Come on. Get up, get up. You made it all the way down to the parking lot. Go ahead.
Watch out. 1, 2. Let me get it ready. Start. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Daddy.
Oh. Here, give me your hand. Whoa, it is icy. Here. Come on. Don't pull me down. Right. Go ahead, let me get you. 9 o'clock at night, we get the whole hill ourselves. We'll move.
You dare me go on this one, the bumpy one?
Yeah, do it. I double dare you.
Sorry, which one? This one or this one?
Doesn't matter. Go ahead, make it look good. You're on video.
I'll go on this one. My sled didn't break.
Cool.
Ready?
Uno, say it in, count to 3 in Spanish. Here she goes.
I can't get out.
She crashed. Come on, sweetie. Here comes Alana.
I'm gonna eat some snow.
You alright? What happened?
She's crying.
Alright, well,
Now I'm going down my way, sweetie.
come on up. Let's go. Then we're going to go. If you got hurt, let's go home. Well, she's all better. Go ahead. Come on. I got you on tape. Hurry up.
You dare me to go on the boogie board? This is my favorite sled ever. Its name is Sledding. They left their grass over there. Wait, is that a sled? Wait,
No.
Is that a tube right there?
Yeah, there's a hole in it. Someone left it there. All right, come on. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Count to 3 in Spanish.
Oh no, don't go there.
Look out. Get out of the way.
Stop, Alina.
There she goes. She's still going.
She's turned.
All right. Say goodbye in Spanish.
Adios. We are going on the very, very fast sleds that tip over. Ready? And spin. Set. Go. You go first. Then I'll
How you say go in Spanish?
Stop, Natasha. Alina, I'm gonna go. Cause it takes. Stop it, Alina. I can't go. You're flying in the way. Ready? Arriba.
There she goes.
Help! 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 Okay.
Wow. She's still going. You can't see her.
Coming down, Alina. Don't go down. Don't go down with my sled, Miss Noah.
Oh, she went backwards. All right, your turn. Go ahead.
Ready? 1,
Go, hurry up.
Move out of the way.
Don't get out of the way. Go ahead. They can see you coming.
Get my sled.
It's all right, Alana. 1, 2, 3.
Wait, can you get a picture with me?
Yeah, there you go. Tell us all about your little sled.
This sled is mine.
You've had it since you were 3. That's 7 years.
My first ride was when me and Daddy crashed into that tree.
Okay. Oh, I remember. Go ahead. Watch out. Here she comes.
It's very bumpy, and there's bumpies all over.
All right.
Is that a snow? And it snows.
Hey, where are they getting all this snow from?
It snowed 20 inches at our house. I have to put my hand up.
She's still going. Wow.
Wait,
Okay, this is the last time.
wait,
Then we have school tomorrow.
wait, hold on. Hold on, guys.
What, are you hot?
Sweating.
All right, well, this is how you get sick. Be careful.
Not tired.
People flying.
Okay.
Okay, this is it. Be careful you don't crash.
Ready?
Say in Spanish, 3.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Wow. One crash. Are you all right? All right. Yeah, you really went far. Get their jacket there. All right. School tomorrow. Come on, let's go to bed. We'll come tomorrow. All right, we just came.
Look, get it behind you. Look how tall the snow is.
All right, let's see what we're doing over there. This road is a sheet of ice. They shut down. What road's that?
What is that?
They're flares.
Be careful, it's slippery. You can slip. What are flares?
They don't want to let cars get out here because look at the sheet of ice. It's all black ice. Look at.
Be careful, you can slide.
Let me get a picture of you guys.